Konbanwa, hajimemashite, Alessandra Tomo shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. I am a digital marketing specialist. In a world where everybody wants to be famous, I want to be great, because greatness is absolutely aligned to service. As a woman, as a Miss International, I feel a deep sense of responsibility to help and empower other women and the youth to become their best version through education. Being here in Japan has been one of the biggest gifts of my life. Learn about your culture, your resilience, your hard working, the amazing language of Kototano, and your sense of Montegashi is a gift I will always carry in my heart. I am super proud to be Venezuela tonight with empathy and love. Shirimo Sumareba Yamatonaru.